Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to copy and paste in Android. Open the email containing the text you want to copy. Long press on the text you wish to copy. A selection tool will appear and adjust it to highlight the specific words or lines you want. Once selected, tap on the copy option. You have now copied the text. Open the app or platform where you want to paste the text. Tap on the keyboard's clipboard option. Locate the paragraph or text you previously copied. Now as you can see, the copied text has been pasted into the text field. Open the chat box of the contact whose text you want to copy. Select the specific text by holding down on it. Look for the copy icon or option and tap on it. The selected text is now copied to your clipboard. Go to the application or location where you want to paste the copied text. Long press in the text field to bring up the options. Choose Paste from the available options. The copied text from Messages is now pasted at the desired location. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.